Hello everyone, what is up? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day again. We got extra news for today's video. XRP Yo-Yo has tweeted out, analyst predicts XRP price of $30 USD in 2 to 3 years. Crypto has joined other experts who predict a massive increase in the price of XRP since yesterday. The technical analysis explained in a series of tweets to his 68,000 followers that XRP could rise to between $20 to $30 USD in the next bull run in the crypto market due to its fundamentals. Keep it real, XRP price is not predetermined. XRP is not backed by gold. XRP will not reach the prices Bitcoin has, $10,000 plus. XRP will not replace the dollar, but it doesn't need to do any of these things to make you and me life-changing money over the next 3 years. I don't know about the long term, but look for $20 to $30 over the next bull run. At the same time, he said it was no nonsense to compare with other related assets in the crypto space. Ultimately, however, according to the analyst, XRP, like any other cryptocurrency, is just a skyrocket moon. If it ends up seeing real-world usage and adoption, then there's value in holding it, plain and simple. Literally, the entire crypto space right now is to some extent a speculative moon. XRP has more usage, adoption, and demand than most, which makes it a solid bet. That's all any coin in the space is right now, though, a bet. So what do you guys think about this? Do you guys think we could be seeing $10,000 per XRP or maybe just $30 in the upcoming bull run? XRP Crypto Wolf has tweeted out, Europe's central bank is open to both centralized and decentralized digital euro. A digital euro would perceive the public good that the euro provides to citizens, free access to a simple, universal, accepted, risk-free, and trusted means of payment. The European Central Bank (ECB) has today published a comprehensive report on digital euro, saying that it needs to be prepared to issue a digital currency if and where the need arises. On central bank digital currency (CBDC) and approved by the governing council, said digital euro would complement cash, not replace it. The ECB said it has not made a decision yet on whether to issue digital currency, but we should be prepared to issue should the need arises. The central bank has identified 4 possible scenarios that would require the issuance of digital currency: an increased demand for electronic payments, a significant decline in the use of cash, the launch of global private means of payments, and a broad take-up of CBDCs issued by foreign central banks. A digital euro would be an electronic form of central bank money accessible to all citizens and firms, said the ECB, adding that it would improve their payment experience. There we go, guys. Again, right in front of our eyes. MES tweeted out, SBI Esports players will be able to opt to receive rewards in XRP. Excited to see the synergy created between crypto and esports. We can see here from Cointelegraph, the esports branch of SBI Group signed a sponsorship agreement with a venture capital firm, allowing it to pay esports players with crypto. Let's check this out.
Japanese esports company to pay its players in XRP. SBI Esports, a subsidiary of Japanese financial services conglomerate SBI Group, announced that its esports players would receive salaries in Ripple, XRP, going forward as part of a sponsorship deal with venture capital firm, VC Trade. According to the official announcement, player salaries will be paid via crypto instead of fiat in order to strengthen the company's presence among esports players who also use digital currencies. SBI Esports, which is a longtime Ripple partner, said that this sponsorship deal is a way to diversify its portfolio within the blockchain industry. Their goal is to create and nurture a healthy market based on customer centricity, improve prices, and expand liquidity. As of press time, XRP holds a market capitalization of $10,827,898,158, making it the 4th largest crypto in the category of market cap, according to CoinMarketCap. Back in 2019, Ripple's developer ecosystem, Project Spring, and the game-centric blockchain platform, Forte, jointly established a $100 million fund to support game developers. Mako Campo, head of growth at blockchain entertainment studio Virtually Human Studio, previously lamented to Cointelegraph that not all gamers are crypto traders, and not all crypto traders are gamers, something he felt was a major challenge faced by the gaming industry.
Cointelegraph has tweeted out, Ripple and the XRP Ledger Foundation will decarbonize through a blockchain platform. But will this prove to be effective?
XRP Ledger blockchain energizes decarbonization, but tokenization a challenge. As tech giants like Google and Facebook announce plans to become carbon-neutral businesses by 2030, smaller companies are doing the same. The only difference is that innovative startups are taking clever approaches that seek to be more effective than those implemented by large, centralized companies. For example, Ripple, a fintech company that allows banks, payment providers and digital asset exchanges to send money using blockchain, has committed to becoming carbon net zero by 2030. In order to meet this goal, Ripple has unveiled a set of initiatives driven largely by blockchain technology. Ken Weber, head of social impact at Ripple, told Cointelegraph that Ripple focuses on reducing its carbon emissions by making sustainable choices, purchasing carbon offsets and investing in carbon removal technologies. One of the first initiatives that Ripple has committed to is a partnership with the Energy Web Foundation, a non-profit organization using blockchain to accelerate low-carbon electricity systems. The Energy Web Foundation and Ripple have created Energy Web Zero, a new open-source tool designed to enable any blockchain network to decarbonize by purchasing tokenized renewable energy. Tokenizing energy attribute certificates. According to Weber, Energy Web Zero will enable Ripple to purchase renewable energy within the United States, the United Kingdom and the Philippines. This will be done via tokenized energy attribute certificates, or EACs, which serve as the company's proof of purchase for its renewable energy procurement. Jesse Morris, the Energy Web Foundation's chief commercial officer, told Cointelegraph that the Energy Web Zero application establishes digital identities for real-world assets such as large-scale wind and solar facilities around the world. Once these assets are tied to a digital identity, that data is anchored to the Energy Web blockchain, which powers the Energy Web Zero application. Digital energy attribute certificates are then produced from this data to represent renewable energy. Morris shared that Ripple and the XRP Ledger Foundation, an independent non-profit entity, will be the first organizations to use Energy Web Zero to ensure offsets are purchased for consumption on the XRP Ledger. "We are using a blockchain to solve its own problems in a sense," said Morris. Benefits of blockchain in achieving carbon neutrality. Interestingly enough, blockchain being used to achieve carbon neutrality makes a lot of sense due to the transparency inherently baked into the technology. Companies like Google can claim to be eliminating their carbon footprints by purchasing high-quality offsets, yet they are not revealing what, and for what amount, those offsets are. A public blockchain network will always have proof of the transactions taking place. According to Morris, the Energy Web chain is an open-source architecture, meaning anyone can download a client and start interacting with it or looking up transactions. Open-source platforms are critical for transparency and trust, which is the big difference here. Moreover, an open-source framework allows for the entire blockchain ecosystem to take advantage of the Energy Web Zero application for decarbonization. Morris noted that this is a goal, as the application is meant to encourage other blockchain ecosystems to start decarbonizing.
Again, guys, what do we just hear? More green economy. That's the goal. Once again from XRP Crypto Wolf, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison says Australia's government will invest $575 million in digital technologies, including blockchain, as part of its recovery plan. The US $575 million investment to be concentrated in the 2020 budget is part of Morrison's plan to bounce back from that, to improve compliance and support digital technology companies. So guys, we can see more plans are being made right here. More news and more growth for the whole crypto space. But who really knows what will happen at the end of the day? But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe if you guys aren't already. Feel free to be a member of the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. And you guys, see ya.
This is the beginning of the greatest economic cycle this country has had since World War II. And I knew the things that Donald would do, and he hasn't even got started. But this is the eye of the motherfucking storm, the perfect storm. It ain't never going to get any better. Never. This is perfect for the QLA model. If I could have written a prescription or a formula, I couldn't have written it any better. Low interest rates, money's free, you stupid. Massive chaos. And Donald's going to rip the economy apart. and he's going to for practice in a good way. This is it. It ain't never going to get anything better. This is like a multiple orgasm the rest of your life, you fucking slags that are in the audience. This is it.
Sometimes I don't want to hear what Dan has to tell me. But as I wrote in one of my blogs, the old man, he's always right. Because he's telling you what you don't want to hear about yourself, but what you know is true. And that is, you're not stepping yourself up. You're not stepping your game up. And you get caught up in fear. As Dan says, false expectations appear in reality.